Getting pregnant naturally is what every couple would like to do, but it doesn't always work out for everybody. There are tons of ridiculous and unproven remedies on YouTube that you should avoid. Today on Infertility TV, we are going to discuss a natural fertility treatment with actual scientific evidence that might help you conceive naturally without fertility drugs or IVF. First, it is important to rule out any obvious absolute causes for infertility. Importantly, you need to make sure that your fallopian tubes are not blocked, make sure your partner has sperm, and make sure you are ovulating. If you have done those things already, then you may have unexplained infertility. Couples with unexplained infertility are excellent candidates for natural fertility treatment. First, how can you tell if any fertility treatment works? The only way to prove if a treatment is effective is to compare it with no treatment. Well, let's say you have two identical groups with unexplained infertility. In group 1, you do nothing except to tell them to keep trying for the next 6 months. In group 2, you give them your treatment and then have them try for 6 months. At the end of 6 months, you compare how many couples got pregnant in each group. Let's say 20% of the couples in the no treatment group became pregnant and 20% of the couples in the treatment group became pregnant. Did the treatment work? No. While the couples who did treatment might be convinced it was the treatment that worked for them, they didn't get pregnant any more often than the couples who did no treatment. So there was no proven effect. Now, let's say that 40% of the couples in the treatment group became pregnant and 20% in the no treatment group conceived. Now, it really looks as though the treatment was effective. Twice as many couples got pregnant with treatment compared to no treatment. The natural fertility treatment I am going to discuss today is made from poppy seeds. What could be more natural than that? The natural oils from the poppy seeds are combined with iodine, which is a natural mineral in our bodies. With this treatment, the fertility doctor will gently squirt the poppy seed oil into your uterus. That's it. That's the entire treatment. Now, how do we know this treatment is effective? For that, we will turn to a study conducted in New Zealand called the FLUSH trial. In this study, couples with unexplained infertility were split into two groups. One group received a one-time flush of the natural poppy seed oil, and the other group did not. Each group was followed for 6 months. Guess what? The group that received the natural poppy seed oil became pregnant and had a delivery nearly twice as often as the no treatment group. Natural fertility treatments like poppy seed oil are not for everybody. You should absolutely have some basic fertility testing before you try this. Obviously, if you are allergic to poppy seeds or iodine, this would not be a good choice for you. Before you make a decision on whether to pursue a natural fertility treatment like poppy seeds, you might want to do research about other types of fertility treatments. Check out this playlist to learn more about the most common fertility treatments. But before you go, make sure you like this video. If you have a suggestion for a future episode of Infertility TV, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Infertility TV now. It's like having a fertility specialist in your phone.